I could drive that. Till who's done? Till the concert's done? This one, I think this one is, what's her name?
As I said earlier, it was not a single effort. It was a combined effort by a lot of people, and it's a lot of work behind it, but we pulled it off.
Does she like hot dogs?
Oh, I don't know. I don't even know these birds.
And yes, we do. We hope you all come back and see us next year.
Yeah, oh yeah. I like hot dogs.
Yeah, loves them corn dogs.
Yeah, come on.
Just to your right.
We're going to begin with chicken. Pardon?
That corn dog probably cost you like $5.
Barbecue sauce.
Oh, I
No,
just
we
found it
serve
down
barbecue
here.
sauce. I can't remember the real name of the team, but is the winner of the barbecue sauce.
Uh-oh.
Oh, man.
You're done.